In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the forums on the Concord Baptist Association site. So to start, we'll go to the URL and you'll log in adding /wp-admin, and then this will take you to a page where you can put in the username and password that you've been given, and then you can log into the site. So there's a couple things I need to show you from this vantage point of the website where you're logged in as an administrator with administrative access. And then there are a couple things, I'm going to open another tab, and there are a couple things I need to show you from this front end view so that you know how to use the forum from this end. So if you hover over resources, then you've got forum as one of the first options. And so then if you don't have administrative access, this is all you would see was just this part here. So let me start by showing you these items here. So you've got a forum that shows up here, and I'm going to show you how to create new forums, but the new forums will not be able to be created by just a subscriber, just a user of your site. So only you or whoever has administrative access to the site can create new forums, and which I'm going to show you how to do here in just a minute. But anyone can add to these forums. So you have a pastor user group 1. So let's say someone has a topic already here. You can see there's a couple test ones, some quick feedback. So then you can see here, I can see the person who posted this. They have a photo, and I can see what they've written, and then they've uploaded a file here, and we can respond to it or we can reply to it here. So then if I want to reply to this, I can type whatever I want. And then you can use any of these items within here. So I can bold, italicize, underline, quote, strike through, bulleted list, numbered list, all the similar things that you can do on any sort of word processing, like Microsoft Word or whatever, kind of has similar things. You can also hyperlink to an external site. So then I would just paste my URL here, and then that's kind of hard to read. We need to fix that. And then click apply. And then there you go. You can see it. And so then that'll hyperlink there. If I want to choose a file to upload, I can choose any of these and upload the file and then add another. And then I can say I want to subscribe to this topic or not. I can cancel, or I can submit this post. And so then you can see that I've responded to this post here. And since this is one I've created, this one is another one we've also created. You can edit it if you'd like. So I can go back and edit it, or I can delete it if I would like to, or I can quote it. So I can quote myself as saying that. And if I want to go to subscriptions, this will show me which topics I'm subscribed to and which ones I can see. So individual, do I want my settings to be, do I want to subscribe individual to individual activity? And it gives you a little description of what each of those are. So then I can unsubscribe here, and I want to get notified about new topics or things like that. And then activity, I can just see whatever people have been doing here. So I can see what other people have been talking about, or I can log out if I would like to. So let's go back to forum, and you can see the 3 different forums here. And if I want to add a new topic, I can put that new topic here, and then that's where those replies would go beneath it. So new topic name, new discussion items. I want to upload a file. I want to subscribe to this topic, and I'm going to submit it. So then that's where people can reply here and do the same thing. So pretty self-explanatory, not self-explanatory so much as intuitive is probably what I mean to say. It's pretty simple to work with, and that can help you kind of teach other people how to do it, but again, kind of intuitive on that from that perspective. So from here, people can't delete any of these forums that you've created. So I will show you, if you're logged in as a administrator with an administrative access, then you have access to this part of the site. So not everyone has access to this. This is this is access to all the things within the site, so all the different pages and stuff. But if you want to create a new forum, you'll notice this black column is kind of where everything is located that we need, and we need to look at forums. So if I've created some forums here, if I want to edit them, I can click edit and give it a new name, click save. I can delete the forum. It will also permanently delete all subforums, topics, and posts inside it. Are you sure you want to do that? Well, yes, I do, because those were just test ones. And if I want to add a new forum, you just click add, you give it a name, a description, you can give it a parent category if you'd like. And then you can look at the different icons. So that's why some are a dash and some are, you can make them these other different things if you'd like. And then you can make it a closed group if you want, and then you can put it in whatever order you'd want it to be in, and then you'd click save. So I didn't write anything there. So I've clicked saved, title of new forum. So then if I go back to this page here, you'll see that it's there. So there's my new forum with no topics inside of it yet. And that's basically all you would need to know how to do there. You can add categories here as well, give it a name. And again, who has access to it, what order it is in. Those things are less important for the category. And then the other thing you'll need to know how to do is under users. Under users, you're going to have to make new users for anyone who wants to use this forum. So how you do that is click add new. You'll give them a username and you have to have their email. So when I'm creating new users for people, I always use their username as their email, because then they don't have to come up with something, and it's easy to remember. So sometimes it's harder to forget. So whoops. And then I would make that my email and my username. And you can fill in these things if you want, you don't have to. And then you can just click show password and it will generate one for you, and then you need to copy and paste that somewhere. And then what you want to do is you make sure that they're set as a subscriber, because administrator will give them access to all this stuff, so you only want them to be a subscriber. So then you click add a new user. My computer's kind of going slow here. So let's look at all users real quick. And you can see that same information, and if you want to give me, this is for an example. So then once you've created that person, then you can invite them into these different groups that you saw in the forum. You could see what groups these people were a part of. Okay, so then scroll all the way down and click update user here. So again, you just want to make sure that this person, and then if they wanted to, they can change their picture out, and they can edit these things. And yeah, again, you just want to make sure that they're a subscriber. So if you go back down to forum, you'll see these user groups here as a kind of like a subheading under here. And so I can edit this, and then I can see who's a part of this group here. And I can create a new group again. It looks basically just like the forum looked like. So add a user group, give it a name. You can give it a color by selecting wherever you want, or typing in a hex code right here, and then you can hide it or add new users automatically, whatever you'd like to do. And then hit save. And then if I want to edit it, again, click edit or click delete. And so again, those groups are created under forum, and then they are added to an individual under this user platform. You just have to click edit and then scroll down and see what user groups are available, and then select that and click update user. So I will delete all these sample posts, but I think this video should get you to a good place where these things make sense. And if you have any questions, you can let us know and we'll help guide you any further if you do need more help.